participant to the very final and the last session of the second Young Tibetan Research Scholar Conference. And I think this is the last and final session. And in this session, we have a two presenter. First presenter is Professor or Dr. Madhu Rajput from Lucknow University. She will be presenting her paper title or topic on life in exile, socio-economic conditions of Tibetan women in India. And second presenter, we have Mr. Tenzin Sede. He's a research fellow working at Tibet Policy Institute, and he will present his paper on elite Tibetan leadership in the Chinese establishment. So I would like to remind both the presenter that both of you have 20 minutes for your presentations, and I will remind you once the 15 minutes get over, so that yet you can conclude the last in like 4 or 5 minutes. And also I would like to request the informed audience, I should say, to ask ask per person, ask one question, because if you get, if we have time, we will allow you to ask another question, because it's like a participatory kind of conference, so everyone should get a chance if you have any doubt or comments. So with this, I would like to request Professor Dr. Madhu Rajput to begin her presentations. Madam.
Good afternoon. I will be talking about around 50% of the Tibetan population, although you can't talk about that without counting on the whole, how things have changed for Tibetan women once they have come to India from 1959. But before I go to when they came to India, I think it was just how to remind how their conditions were in a pastoral, nomadic and agriculture society in Tibet. Actually, whatever I'm presenting today is a part of my major research project which I conduct from ICSSR, New Delhi. And this was born out of my Dharamshala visit in 2012. Going through the markets here, and you saw women all around, and you saw those Tibetans selling those objects, I was little interested in knowing what their life was behind. And that intrigued this project of mine to understand the life of Tibetan women, and especially in exile. Life in exile is adapting, surviving, and growing up. And I think for them it must have been more difficult. So I think, and for that I conducted a survey through my questionnaires, through talking to the officials who were supposed to be making the policies, and informally talking to women who were in business, and women who were actually looking after some NGOs and all. And this is just a small part of my big research work I'm carrying out in two places, Dehradun and Dharamshala. So I think I should begin with one figure who has, His Holiness Dalai Lama, who has set the agenda for what the development process in India would be for them. And this, he asks that the participation of both will be equal. I think you remember, I may draw a parallel between our Indian national movement also, in which Mahatma Gandhi had called for women to come out. Because with half of the population in homes, we are not in a position to carry out our work efficiently that way. Next is, here I would like to bring to you that as human beings living in society, we need to develop, and this is how the development has all came about. If I would like to talk about the ancient Tibetan society, then then I would like to quote this. This was by Charles Bell, who has written two very important books on Tibet. And here also, in my opinion, like all the Asian societies, Tibetan society was also patriarchal. But I feel there was some flexibility also about it, because when the men went out for their trade and other things, I think when women were taking care of their agriculture, fields or things like that, I think it was because that was the economic activity which was being carried out at that time. So although they were at home, but they were also involved in whatever work their family was doing, and they had an important role to play even at that time. So I think when we take this quotation into account of Charles Bell, he has put it, I think, in the most appropriate way as I would like to understand it. Okay, this is how maybe I, as a person who have been going through books and all, I have seen that the position of the female, although it was one of the like Oriental societies we have, but it was, they do had arranged marriage, but gender discrimination is, if it was much, I couldn't say. But as far as polygamy and polyandry, which we see it was practiced there, but as the answer is also there, it was because of the kind of society they had. They had a nomadic society, land, so they didn't want it to be distributed it further. So we had this kind of a system, and they had a large families. Why I point out to these things is because the survey I have conducted will tell you what has happened, the transformation which has taken after 1959. I think this was the position of women, and this is what I have been asking many people. If there was not much gender discrimination, then why was education not given to women in the times they were in Tibet? I think it was some of the noble family and the aristocratic families, they had the right, but I think not much effort were made, and moreover, because they had this monastic education there. Okay, now when you have this, when you are living in these conditions where you suddenly have a role to play, where your country is occupied by Chinese, and you have to play a role for your society. And I think this is how, after 1959, in the movement, and even after that, they have been playing a major role. I think the best part about what I think is outstanding was the educational and economic opportunities they got. Educational, why? Because here the education system was set up where they could get secular education also, along with their Tibetan education, and that opened the areas for them to go. I think education, and then I think when it was a question of survival, when you were surviving, I think you need to give your family the support, and I think from there started, like they started at laborers and helping. And then I think we all know about this, which I will not say much, is the sweater selling business which they had. But this sweater selling business, they used to knit earlier, but now they are taking it from Punjab. Most of the places in Punjab they are taking it from, and selling it all. That means they were at least good in business. Now, I think this is it. The Tibetan Charter, I think you all must be knowing it. I will not emphasize much here. And I think there is a women empowerment desk here in the Women Ministry, which has this 8-focus program, which they have. As I've talked to the officer there, she tells me. And I think one other association which we come across is the Tibetan Women Association. But I feel this was more a political organization made, because it was in 1959, then reinstated in 1984. But it was more a political organization which ventured its branches into social activities, because at that time, when I think times today are different, but at that time when the females who had come from there, they hardly know to speak Hindi or English. So they had to be told about the circumstances and to bring out into the public life. So I think their role has been like this. As far as others are concerned, they tell me they are carrying out some sensitizing programs. They focus on like law. They are telling people about their women about laws in India and all, because they want them to be informed about it. I think this is it. Okay, this is my survey which I conducted this is basically in Mussoorie and Dehradun, but I would like to share one thing. One major change which I find in these two places is, while in their Dharamshala you have your Central Tibetan administration, so women are more into government offices and all. While in Dehradun it's not so. They are more in business. Here they are more in business, but still they are in government offices also. That is one striking point. Since my figures of Dharamshala are not complete, I am not showing it here, but I would like at least to share some of the findings which I had about my survey. See, this is what I was saying in the morning. Like now when I talk to people, I find now, since 1959, they have third, fourth generation here. So most of them are born in India, and they don't find anything strange here. They feel that they were born in India, although they know about Tibet, since from first to fifth, the education now is in Tibetan language, so that they make it so that the child does know about their own country, and they have a command on the knowledge also, on their language also. Now this is it. Like when I asked the women, like earlier I was telling you it was arranged marriage, most of the girls were married, and here the trend has changed. Now the respondents I went through or I've talked, you can see the percentage and come to your own conclusion how things are. And there is a growing trend, like I've met many girls who are not married at all now. So I think this is one thing. Now, from arranged marriage, where do you go to? And one thing which, when we take into all these into account, you can see the kind of change which is coming. And although, like we had people like Girja Saklani writing in 1984 that there is hardly any interaction between the Indian community and the Tibetan community, except on the level of economic exchanges, or as far as you can say economic exchanges, or where they are employed in Indian places. But I think it is not so now. But another concern, which is not part of my survey, but I have taken it from the demographic survey of Tibetans in exile, which is, they say that there is a growing trend of population being lower now. So that is also a cause of concern to them because of late marriages and all. So I think this is here. I think this is one thing which is, I don't know, but I go by what I got and what I get with my feedback when I take the interviews of women. They do say that there is a growing trend of Tibetan men helping them out in their household and family work. And this is another aspect which, as an Indian, I find it very heartening. That is, there is no domestic violence here. More, like there may be stray cases. I don't say that they are not, but but overall, you will find that this is the trend here. As far as the salaries are concerned, I think with your new policies, I had met your Prime Minister also. He informed that they are making some new policies which will be out by December. I think in the finance department also they have got this entrepreneurship program there. So I think this is one of those, one of the reasons. One thing which I will say, I have not left out those women who are working. Working, like for me, every Tibetan woman is working. Why? Because she's contributing in a small business, she may be a government official. You know, you can't say work. I have not, I have not classified, like these are early work for me, like I have not written something, but this is what I want to share with you. So they are working, they are contributing, and I think this is the way we say that their salaries are, their salaries, but I think I have met many of the women who are working without much salary also. I think this is it. This is what I said, the biggest influence is the change in the education which they have got, that they feel that education has changed their life and given them economic opportunities to grow. I think this is here where I've asked them when they, like, so many times we feel that we don't get, but here at least they have said that they would like to work, and I think I've met many people who have left jobs in America and all and have come back also to work. This is about, like, I have asked men, like the women, that were they aware of any NGO or organization working for women, and I think most of them know about it. And this is it. Because we don't have separate laws for Tibetans, I think for them it is imperative to know the Indian laws, because it is in the Indian courts and in the police station they have to go. So I think this is it. Okay. One other aspect on which I have been looking for is the Indian influences. I think when we talk of Mr. Subha's work, which is basically on Darjeeling, he has also talked about that you cannot live in isolation. You have to have, your environment will affect you, and when you are in a country, then you must make your presence felt. I think, like somebody the other day was asking me, is there any Tibetan studying in Lucknow University? My answer was no, because I think, I said that most of it, like most of us Indians, we feel it like it is, the Tibetans came here, we know about the Dalai Lama, but not much is known about it. So I think for this you have to make your cause more effective, you have to have a better interaction. And I think this is what I was saying. I think some of the people who have worked on Tibetans living in India, I think like Indra Manjupuria, Girja Saklani, Professor Anand Kumar, Monu Rani Gupta, Mallika Arora, all have emphasized on this, that there has to be more interaction, although the preservation of their culture is a big question that is being addressed too, but still this has to go. And I think the education system, because you have this, and I think this is one of the quotes of, like, where I have asked my respondent to write how they feel in India. I think this is it, which I've already talked about. This is when I went to your Dikling settlement in Dehradun. And here is one thing which I would like to share, like what work would do to women, especially if, because it is just not work, it is giving an identity to them, and it is like giving roots to future also. And these are my conclusions. Like life of Tibetan women, I would say, has been one of resilience, of struggle and progress. This is about the social transformation which has come, which already, like my figures also tell you. And I think more opportunities can be given to them in these fields. I think this is it. And one thing which I would like to say in the end, I think there has been some change in the policy of the government as well as private institutions here. But I think they should be doing well if they can have a helpline of their own, not dependent on the Indian police all the time. And instead of this women empowerment desk, if you can have a full women commission, because so many of your women are working. So, and I think one thing, self-help, something like bank and all should also come up, because I think for a smaller businessman to survive in present times of globalization where everything is online, you have to think about all this, because you cannot just go on and on of what is happening, what has been happening. And I think in the field of prostitution, and especially people who have come now who are being exploited in menial work, and I think in the end I would like to say change is the integral of human existence. If it is not for progress, if it is for progress, it benefits the person, the cause, and the nation both. Thank you.
I thank Professor Madhu Rajput for her timely presentations. I would like to request the second presenter, Tenzin Sethe, Research Fellow from Tibet Poly Institute, to begin his presentations.
Good afternoon, dear friends. Chidang tanda zawegi tamshi di pyoge nali shundu chungsu an di gyumze jel shugi tanda di mashu kongli inji nali tsik kashi shushovich. Thank you for the introduction, my friend Chuldim. It's an honor to share the stage with Professor Madhu Rajput, and it's a great honor to speak in the presence of Professor Ramu Manivanam. And at the same time, I also felt and consider myself unfortunate because Dr. Scholar Tashi Sringla just left after the lunch. So this is how I felt speaking in front of these great scholars here. I must confess that I started this research very recently, I would say over 2 months. So in a sense, I'm in the process of collecting materials, information, and finding some people who are well informed about this subject so that I could interview and ask questions, probably if he's willing to answer. So far, I didn't meet or face any well-informed scholar or people whom I could discuss this subject in depth. But the sources that I have is all secondary. The papers that I've referred to, the books that I've read are all secondary. But I would say that the sources that I've referred have done their study by using field trips, field survey, interviewing people. So I would consider that study as a useful technique for my study to understanding this whole concept of leadership formation in Tibet. Basically, I'm born in Tibet, but I grew up in India, so I only visualize how things are going on in Tibet. So I couldn't have a concrete understanding of how politics and how social life being happen in Tibet. So I only imagine how things are evolving in Tibet. So this is the great difficulties that I face in conducting this research. And moreover, I do not read Chinese, so that's also an obstacle in carrying this research, because most of the useful informations are coming out in Chinese, so that's one thing. 아니 디더 슈에 다니다가 디 tamshi sene tadi ngarangi kodo tadi nyamship sene tadi galya samotaya di gozu ni shira dugume ta chesa kara khadu yune dinde tamshi ro che kugab chundu ga bal bezun thangpo khari shugu labayina tamshi chese gi yudi nanglo ya yebe gi ta chik kheba ine ta detol ya ta chik nyamshu nangi gi sudar suri imba ine detol ya khonzu gi chik thone di dal nedun de ga shendo yuna ngarang khadu yune chik ya labjalien da lakbor tu chik tajik gongsu dinde yongai gi tabji chigyu chesan din nanglolia tanangarang pyoge to ne shyugo jumje zo de karin suna din nanglolia lakbor tu phene pede mangushtu ani timatse ani kwanzu gi pyo nanglolia chik salon shongje pegi nangi neta lakbor tu chapsin neta yabu khen de dinde nyege chuna chungsu chesan de pyoge na shyube na ani ngarang ya chik tuben sebe gi rewa do ji tajik khasore tokla do ji 세상에 이 배경나需求 제시해 디 단다디 조시테식 야마 교바칭 대버 수로스도 이네 개발면도 디 지기 고된도 디 지바로 차디기도 다 leadership formation in Tibet 사디 제단기 자신부 쉬우지다 인바이네 니기 드럽데디 뒤윤디니 납주 월 수고야 갈세나 게나기 또 마쇼 개가 톱 아니 크란조 10시불 디시제 아니 변낭로기 다직 주와 망고스토가 갑리야 다직 변낭로야 뻔보야 근데 거당 딘데로지 삼탄이 근데 가시 뭐 쉬운데 땅 알랑기 다직 림바로지 마 팝시에다 직 카르소레 자베기 베겔이야 포커스 제사로 딘 랑교 종리야 시샤에 딘데로지 탑지 시베다 심바 랑교 종 피베 아니 직 사구 벽이 사구 산에 게나 신진 나로야 단디 땅시 오던 줄 라고 샤야디 단데샬이야 용토에 민도 제사 안 랑교 종레 단다 라켈라 마켈라 딘데지기 강에 대샤 제사 단데 나랑기 다직 테스토 스타데버디 차상 랑교 종레 야슈 캡데 딘데 조시 근데 림방아디 아니 디스 디시슈모 와체 랑교 종 와리야 아니 그 림바디네 아니 종 따딘데 조지게 딘데 지 림바도 샤디레 다 랑교 종 나로기 따직 슝이 바이네다 the party by the dinalogi the structure the domshi do dinalolia the desen keshe the do chadi yore the dinalo la ditungo jumza khanisana dinalo dine ani chik tangazu phebai ne da ani tanga de pheju tangjo han gemi din by ne da the miri thanyu miri shinda the yongda nanglo le hui the phe nanglo mangbu hui de gi babu lenge mangbu yore dine the kharsore the muslim sing the dinde lenge mangbu ta dine Xinjiang nanglo ne jigs dine chungsha ugu mi ta dinzu nanglo gi da khwanzu dijik the pool se ro de din nanglo ne ya ta deje dinzu nanglo ne ya chik pyuri le dinde ji gi da shung da marsho ni domshi dinzu nanglo ne ta chik ya le de ya ta da shemba dinzu shu mo che 5 pillars yue de 5 pillars nanglo ya ta 당보 디 스탠딩 커미티 said the standing committee said the party standing committee sigor marshogi tangi domshi nanglolia tenda ngazu da tande chale samdawan pyo rangyon jongi tangi domshi nanglol namzu kingre pema tileda da nijarang wingji khwanju gi domshi tangi domshi phebani yode bada ani han miri ki gemisum yode konda gemini yode badegi domshi delia tang the standing committee shugi then the people's congress said the ani the karsore tagi dingi tani pyogenal jesu konda people's congress the low tochi mima tuzo lao tochi dene shung si shung dene situ dene discipline inspection tadi savegi di nima tanda Xi Jinping tak marsho tungje dene gegap sinji dene 마우든 기 긴지 마샤 콘레 야 용달 야 필레 시치 군지난 것도 딱 코란레니 필레 사와 더 필레스네 디낭로리아 직 데젠 사와 탄다 디시플린 인스펙션 딘데 징 어디 카사 딜야 슈크침부 슈지기 emphasis nangudu di nangwa number sama kingre 코란레 사와이기 다 시라만도 콘리아 다직 고스를 송기디 레시드 슈침부 슈지 개용lap에 사버도 변낭로리아 니동 페진의 중에 줍시 답슈이네레 중 도와지 공리아 표랑교준 낭로리아 아니 배 벼리기 벼리 미 정화 하시 심리선에 용다 게다 주 경제 인데 관주기 민다 코네 가리 임바다 디자인 khawala lega chi dunzu khase uting me ta khonju gi simya de kosu rusung gi de jumje de thang du ani dinde gi khonju gi shinda jumje ji kar thang usana kar so re da ni zenju lu yue tan da tang tang azu tale gi tan de khonju she de tale ruso le ya chikta dewa she ji ani khonju gi ta di ta pege khaso re da pyo nang le ya da chik denja le ya ne gi we gi ta nilu mabush thang je ta khandar ya ne dun todo di tanda discipline inspection committee said de krangi ta Xi Jinping le ne delia shuchim bu shuji special emphasis dende do nang di do ta simba don zo namso ta samma kingi de sang do ta ta din nang lo ne tanda ding gi gang le ya tanda desen ta lekung ta tene agency mambu simba mambu sten bi din nang lo ne ta yongda ke ta 개용 나니 바이네다 표랑교 나니 바이네다 표기사교 신다 나니 바이네다 용다기 다직 대신 스네다 아니 챔버스네다 다 레공스네 케셰 다직 아주 학벌도 표바 되네 한기 개미 되네 장유미리 신다도 야직 가서야 코네 파르사도다 다야 되네 뼈리 나로리아 야 리바야 자사도데 든숨 샤디게요레 근데 탑디 organization다 신당이다 너무 킹기레 프로디 티다다 디 탑주지기도 organization department 디 게나기다 게나디 one party state into kambalya 디 데젠 디 케치부 슈직다 게나 나로리아 지기 공쟁기 당유 다 게주 예동 중에 지나다 게주 학스 요르싱도 다 단다 예동 조숨 죽시 중하다 로 실학스 나로리아 페진다 슈파리 유레 이 장가디 슈에메다 이네다 게주 학스 요버디 카세브레다 딘준 기 땅진시야 콘주기다 마쇼나라 주베 투유 관주 로규 차장 디 레고 첨바 디기다 당지 시대도 그 첨바 디페 계신 부차대지 다디 나로리아다 표랑교 존라인 바이나 첨바 디 나로리아 다야 코네 파트로서 디 첨바 디 계신 부 시우지 다진 숨 나로네 강디 오르가나이제이션 디파트먼트 저주 부시도 디게디 페게 핑이 나로리아 디 계신 부 시우지 다 딘수 데세 나로네 야 파트로에게 다 디피베 탄다 다 딘데 Jingdu Mangmi dine dine team gi design ne dine dine digzu gi design dinsum nanglo le ya phebe gi jikpuri yama phogyu du do yemba ne khonggi nangshin gi ta jik phogyu shuchen bu du du dinde gi neju dinde se yung du ta yemba ne tanda kongde kharso le Jingdu Mangmi nanglo le ya da 네기 도나 중에 야 페마틸레 그런 디낭로 야 규rum부 슈지 단데 단데기 랑규 종기 통지 셴바 pyrini nalone pematile kura din nalole ya gyurumbu shuji lochubdun lasi shusha dine lochubdun di kura gi dusije jingju mangmi nalone da dese mangbo na chalena ta thama delia da nidong peji chukji jungi gi chukji gi dabshu dwale ya ani kura rangujong nalole ya chukji sa kharsa din di khonle ya kura rangujong nangi ta jingju gi ma gi dese chunju den den nalya chalena je dusije riba den de sawe gi ngarang den 통다 된대시 통고도 다딘도 감발이야 된주 숨디 계지모 예모 강실이야 디 공기능 신기 다지 계지모 멤버기 된데 직 차데샤 수에 다디 공도 직 가서래 다 자베기 general 직 introduction 도직 용당 도지체 다 니슈 게스 조디 땅아 카린스나 직 탑시 도체디 니마 납추 나로래야 페베기 직 Puri Kandisle Sha Sejora. Tene any Renaissance Kabliata, Manguji Kingere, party structure Manguji Mebachare, Dene any the Karsore, Touch Revolution Committee form chi, Denegi, and Sanga singing Nangloria Chade Kablia Kandesi Shaja, and Tandegi Touch Marshoki and Rangajongi Marsho, Sishunangi, composition dealia, Tadi, Pezu, Cheda Shishin Bedi, Tandal Harbor to Tamadi. Nature chane ne da ani digan ya chale nang da scholarly work intellectual academic work den de kombu shuji da gana nang gana tolin ba na da je susugi lo to na je 가족 고고로 렌데로 시레샤 이마이네 다 아주 베베기 다 직 den de gan ya magic 밥용 de gan 말이야 다 얘기 표현하려 내 세버 시라메다 바핀송한게라 그런게 근데 찰레 테스트 내 세뉴 마시 신다 차대 된데 유결이 다 세상 얘기 된다 표현할 쉬어버 юм제디 너무 소기 캔도 있는 거야 도시지 recommend na ro na shwe di pejun di chesa tenge pebe dan se ma chung du da inji da dang ge sing me du inji ta chi focus chesa inji indu kambal ya pe kombo ta dinde indu ta yene ya jil ya gubju gobdun lol ya tanda Professor Robert Bernard Krang ki challenge na sha dinde pebe leadership kan ya ti une gi ta chi ta dik tole ya chi samda mangbush tu yin bai ne ta chi samda tang gwa ya ya su su ya chi ne dun du ya she gwa yin du ma ya del lob ju thewa che gwa du ma la ta dine Krang gi chi gi karso le di challenge na gi di une gi lap chim bu ni tung yu karso na ma na Krang phe nang lo le ta phapor du Krang ya ni su phu ni di kap ya gubju nang lo ya ta te chi gi karso le si ju di thakbo laisa nanglo si ju tes kwan yue ka be kap lin sa de ani su mangbo chi da den de shu ro tan da de khong du den de street talk da den de kamile so kurang gi ni su mangbo chi lese gi phe na gi lese gi da chi chepsi khodo yue ba thakbar du da she su le den de sig du kharsa da chi gi khongde tang yu surba den de gi thone ni su radio da di verify nang thong mo de embai na khandar ya den de gi thone kurang ni su radio kambal ya di ni su di une gi cha chimbo da shinda ni su primary dursa yo mar da den su rang sa de kambal ni su cha chimbo yu kambal ya kurang gi chale di ni gi lap chimbo che ji gi da di kurang gi di som che som na khar she gi yor se bai na jidan ne di chi ni ma khongde tang phen na ma le khong ya da chi ge kurang gi di ni gi kheba dun ju gi chale na yu jing ni kurang gi thang du dun ju de lo ya ani professor jun kurang gi dinde tole chale chi ta generation model dinde ji build chi sha tim bai ne ta dinga se chu ma so dinge thapsi shu shi karen sana nga ju del ya nga ju gi khol yu be gi ta penju khang da nga ju pe gi penju khang yu re nga ju penju khang ji re an hakbor du ta nge gi dwal ya dili khul ya di gi chom di chom di ra thapsi shu shi bai ne ram ma so di tang ran tan di ra gi bejun chi khar di de to ne yang indi chu khashi ra ri sam gu du ta im bai ne kurang gi tan da chi zum Professor Bernie Krang gi chum nanglo la morang gi chum di ta shipte ko men du ta ine tinde ro ji lung thang sha chesan ta di chum di nanglo ne ne su ra gi rewa tinde ro ji ta morang gi chum gi khari shi gi sar la ba ina nima gi ta da phe gi ta da ji pyndi to dan di generation to ne to dan thakbor du nima da phe gi nanglo la du sen ngap ju nanglo do ya ta da ji ke she du kambal ya tinde do ji ta da phe di ta nge di ta di chele shu gi de she di ngapju nanglo le phe nanglo ya ju keme ya ju mangme ya ju yong de ko ju sai gi go do ni cha de sha chik di kham gi sa gu ne che chik am du sa gu ne ta sa gu ni de na la ju lenge gi ta geme mangme khar cha de se na am du kham sa gu na ju ni di thanda di ching du mangme wa la ya yu be de se thanda southwest military unit di cha de yo ani am du ngol ju yong e di northwest cha de yo chesa ta di ju yong du kam bal ya kama khazur kama nga los di zuyun de kumal ya ani kam kune zuyun de kumal ya kam gi derge dene peyu dene kanze dene kharsa batan duzune ma zuyun de ku khonju de pege kam nal yobe gi chigi pebe ta habar du ba phunso nge khonjo yimba ina chigi pege nal to thambo gemi recruit ta chig ya malen khon le ya khonju chig khon gi chaden na de khon gi chig 기다 게미다 파샤 인지 신규 외기 근데 다지 카시 근데 칼소레 이슈기 근데기 비게 나로리아 코나기 포함 근데 템베 근데기 중국도 아체자 코나 베 인텔렉츄얼 디갑수기 근데 시슈 좀 게미 코나 오네기 다지 표주 통제다 코나리아 디갑수 코네 마무슈 나샤 propaganda department ki dinde ki khonen the deputy director the central tibet nanglo ya united front work ki the director na tendu pe dikap su khone tendu shu chum shu re ta dinde khonen nang du kambal ya handa historical narrative she gi wa dinde khonen nang du di khonen nang mi sang me pheba sang me gi ta ji o ta dinde kena gi tang gi domchin na khone dinde nang du kambal ya khona jimal ya une ga ju gi ta ji phebe gi kharso re ta 아주 이지 제사전에다 이지스면서 제 가족이야 즉 탑도 두자로 중앙에나 코로나야 류에서 여기로 된대로지 세버 얘네 가족 앞둔 로리야다 코로나 디마 준전의 주로니 슐라스티다 된대시제 갈때직 전한 로리야 강에 마부스테와 세상 디직 히스토리컬 내레티브 시시고 코로나 메워차 디 코로나 야말레 디 바바기디 니버디 칼시 오선 게주 갱안에 다직 단데 랑교 종난 로리야 담망미기 고디체기다 디 아니 기주 경안에 다 표주고라 didu ngam geju genga lol ya peje geju genga phardu yin fadang ta didu 진주 망미기 다 표랑을 종리야 고디 시대에 때때 두주 샤되고 딱 기주 genga lone 다 군주기 스틱 시주 공연 두두 감발이다 진주 망미 직 파샤제 다 civilian 직 미든데 나로네 아니 직 브리 용화 학벌도 베베기 돈에 베베 나로네 직 구삽 레토에 딘데도 직 리무스 망부 요르 디 나로네 아니 학벌도 바분 조왕게 카시시야 바바테 스트링 시기도 다니 코나 ngoke 마소 바바테 스트링 다 베타링 테스팅 라이나 코나 긴가래 세부 숨을 상을 내는데 케멘도 다 간다 양 딘데션네 마용도 아니 디 디셉션 니워들이 차데샤 디 디인도 감발 디 히스토리컬 너레티브 바바 기타 고 나로리아 데팅에 바분소 왕게 코란리아 딘데 게나 마쇼 기타다 야고 메두 감발이야 아니 바베 기타 직 바시 홀랑 세 기탐 고 다가란데 바바 dunso 메와차 안 홀바 랑을 시고라 다 바바 메와차의 히스토리컬 너레티브 다 contemporary 디나로 카르시 고르세 마이나 다 바바 마자도 두 감발이야 다 hor yale gor horsna da hordi hor gi da tungar mushi gi sizuna kharsesna hobrsu du da pegi kharsore de northern part na de topa de dinge tande chalya durwaina tanda nakchu rangyo jong gi nakchu na yebe gi da sagu ani di nima tanda chongön gi hojana yebe da hasi gi di par gi da jik sagu jora hor de lugu na lo mangushi gi hor gi gebo se de da khanar ya horgi medum zulya nakchu se tanda ha digi kabla context na delishi du ta chesa digabya ta ragdi yalle ta ragdi khuna rinne sarje kabla ya check kharsore khone masun yalle de rejre ta ragdi ki digi contemporary narrative kharshi orsna ragdi chidang gi ragdi da tanda pike genje nobu khurang durgu re an durdu kambala ragdi di chidang genje nobu lochungar de imbane khandar yang lochungar red deswa di pitangi domshinda ani khone nanglo chewa na ragdi le khone halam기 체기를 상부도 가르스나 좀제 가르스나 디 락디 곱주 곱시 롤이야 건다 괜찮는 곱주 곱시 롤이야 아니 중지 셴바디 임베가블이야 락디 곱주 고지노네 중지 셴바 차사브레 로숑와 임바이네 아니 센트럴 커미티 딱 야나기 디자인 폴리트 뷰로 와리 요베 센트럴 커미티 나롤이야 코나 둔주 듭드네 베게 인데기 구삽 도대바 딘데기 유디 감발이야 코네샤네 고나 벳 락디기 타 티켄제 노부디 갑리야 게주 나로레 임베 인두 감발이야 락디기 타직 미치기 게제 마시네 타 데제니 디기 광라 데니 두두 감발이야 벳 남사 캬와 두두 감발이야 디기 토네 컨템포러리 너레티브 디로 시기 유서레 타 땅에 델레 투주 시라면도 세상 마지 도나 디 얘기 디 야조인 탄다 프로페서 버니 크랑기 찰레네 디기 가 닝지모 슈스톤 디 가르치면서 나타난다 디나로리아 당연히 건도 쉬어야 돼 저주부세 오르가나이제이션 디파트먼트 디기 걔네 뒤뚱도 디나로리아 pombo 가져레메 디네 코네 가져 파리메 안 디마세 디나로리아 안징인 좀 줘래 단다 리더십 patronage model 라이저로 다 키랑기 얘기 키랑기 와려야 소경 지원에 키랑이 알이야 다직 코네 다 체동다 딘데 뒤도 감발이 아니 코네 파트야 딘데 patronage model 딘데 뒤뚱도 다 디나로리아 롭상 겐제 민세기도 롭상에서 민세도 이 삼발이야 단다 롭상에서 쿠란 야 레기 딘데기 림바치 페이지 단다 나보 요데오데 낙출이야 쿠란 디디 페이지 딘데나 프리펙처널 챌린나셔 딘데 사구 나로 챌레 땅이기 디 셈바디 팅메도 챌린나도 디갑수 럭디 낙추 사구기 디레샤 커사 통제레샤 디인도가 말 콘주 디갑수 대와 뚝지 아니 두스야지 야 코네 레데바시 멘도스 나랑이 쳐봐 딘데 삼삼 딘데 지삼무도 ता दिशेदु कंपलिया दि मारे ता या आमदुने या चांगने पेंबल मालेवदिने मारे आमदुने योरे पेशना दोजि तेना कुरा यो दोजरिंगला योरे अनि चांगने ने तंदा ता थरेन साइमन दा चिके लेक्चो कोनजो योरदे ता थरेन साचदु दिkapsu केजु नालोलिया लेक्चो कोनजो यो इने 임바이네 허르바다 바바 능신기 지 코네 토보다 왕당 요바다 럭디 쿠란다 고주 고엘이야 지금 뿅보야 베베 뿅보야 코네 빠래 코네 자야 파 네비오 땅에 두줄이야 왕슈 요르시도 베샤나 코랑기 고알이야 단다 총지 개미 총지 벤지다 인파당 피베 우잉지사 우징화 데네 후진다오 데네 탱튜 코랑즈베 코랑기 walta lamdön sene ta da kharsoore dil 코랑기 벽이 산에 사도 미인도 감발이야 다 지기 게제 티사스네 다 이질로서 로기 치자 데레도 샤디도 아니 럭디 코란즈 임바나 니마 르네사지 갑리야 chigi tanda wesela inja dinde ki interview jina le sebu sungdo rene saji ka bya phab ta chigi khonju di tawa dinde chigi reform ki lamba la mandung yi yimba yene khona su de gi jumje khala na phebe gi ta chigi kiji khonju bi we na khonju lu gi se tang gi lu gi se pheba de phena la ha yo ma res tin du ka mal ya ta khonju masha kame ta ragdi ro da ni dene pasan khonju rig den zo masha kame yi du ka mal da khandar ya di khandar ya do di ragdi ta chigi ya lang lesa de ta rini saji kam ne tu se ta digi di khar she na horshi ta tanda horba do ma nyam ta chamdo ya lang ta tanda di current composition dire tande gi rangyu jongi nanglo ya ta dus kiran gi khapdu dus ta wa na di thong yu re champa phinzo ni beijing yo ta nam sama khingi ro dine di nanglo ya ta peman namge lobsa genje gi pingja brother shadi ro ta digi mura ne sambal ya tanda ta kap chugu be gi marsho gi digi nanglo ya ta di yung sang min do de ne ta peman namge khura tende chik le gi rewa ju yor sang ta dinde tande composition ta ngarang gi kale che de sa da dire ta ditol ya chik phasu neju raya da du kombu shu yinde ko ditol ya da shu ge dire ta di amso kendo chi du yin de zero an namso de thoti da de yo na sabar du samchar da de yo na ani I appreciate you.
Now I would like to open the floor for questions and comments.
Ngiki tuwa di tambo tanda di pyo nang rwa pyo pyo gi da jami ki pyo lo yorwa tindi gang de chi tuwa sena da samsu sena da nyamdu riji tangsha na ring samsa resh chidang pyo nang lo le pyo chi yorwa da pyo rangi jami ki kone da jami ki zhong nang lo kone rangi chidang chini zhong dang tindi nang lo mambu shu yore 답변은 아주 정부 폐지해야 돼 배발 다 폐지했으나 다디 너무 마음지는 배발 연구 이번에 디나로 럽던 바세 디강 연재신도 수사마 재미래 다 이내 배나로 다 제자 든지다 배나로 정부인데 저 강 럽던 전이다 디그리 사마데 재미작도 배바도 고네 같은 통부터는 디강라 재미지 요르도 지도고 지도가는 가서 네버드 머리기 따순도 줘라 디 재미를 텐사 란 쉬우는 것도 재미도 줘라 그런저기다 재미 그런저기 셰소지와이나 장뇨 머리를 야지요 상지요 지제로 근데 시기다 임베이네리 모니터는 파테와 이네 지자 뿜뿜 망시야 되지단 배바 망부 여 디소간 재미 가서 거다 정부 임베이네 정부 간량 디간 거는 토한도 줘라 디 재미를 제고 근데 제도고 디가는 의세나 지단 자나랑 제와이나 머리기 연제 제데 제나 사우스팅도 아미 크란소기 제나 사우스티고 데 종기 라렌 따르던 제는 머리기 연제 치심부 쇼이 사르 삼사던 데샤 제데 디간은 아주 냠신도 제나 페 this things obviously 나면 디간 제는 재미를 팔아 라야죠라 디페게 첨을 상무도 자위샤네 베바기 미디 재미기 종기 레제 나로 요바 있나네 디펜도 좀 쇼 연구 사르 상무도 가진라네 디 나로다 베바 랑기야 친는 버리시다 고 라자세나무도 타마 요데고라 어디 간래니 가리나메나 베케션부터 샤상무도 디니 자위진 갱아마 고서지오네 지우시기 미 마음부지 아리 나로로 고서 레제 마음부 라젤 아리 종기 지우시기 머리다디 지우시기 미마랑래니 펜토하던데 용거세 딘디기 레가치고세 딘디 고안도와 디지도 건 아주 베바 저기요 베바기 미 마음부지 재미 그 종은 안 레지니 되네 구조 마다는 디 가선 되네 케치 부자대하기 시라시라 펜토 마라 디건을 머리기 연제당 디조걸파 쫀쫀도 세나문도 네수사와도 파트 바이네 야분도 삼서 가서들이 재미들이 케제 신용이로 아마 그것도 딜러는 누군데야 재미 그 조정 가서 고네 야부테요 마레스 디건 가디네 재미 당지신이 지어세로 하이머인도 요르는 디고도 쉬우네고도 어쩌건니 뭐마제고 케치므로 샤상부터 투지체
di samcharwa ale los chikching ni ngara shedo yugo di samja mone lapchambure tuchi shue zawe dinde tangaram shendo shiram medu kambal ya ta jik thoba da loje gocho badan zo dinde tosto shi di kharri do shina tande ta jigi ta geju ngapju ne ta juwa shu chum shu ji ta geju nanglo thakbar do jik kharso siju kuyangi nanglo ya ta huya bon phela leje ani jiki gemi ki ta kharso re kadra se wala du mangbu shu ji ma kana thyen ki de siju yo nanglo de nanglo da din khurang ki ta ji khalo re siju din nanglo ne ani phiri ra ya jiki ta khonel ya shaye ki dinde ki siju ta dine lagor da tren sang ki trend na la ya khari sebu du la ba ina ta habar du kharso re da county the district county tingi kheba da du sene da counties manga pheju tang do tengsa county nanglo le ya phime gi chik kharso re recruitment de shuchim bu shuji recruitment tak ya leje nanglo le ya chik ta sishung na yemba ine tha ani tang nang le yemba ine ta dinjing dirang nanglo dinjung nanglo le ya chik ya leje ya thenya gi dinde gi ta legu 다 조심 받는데 슈좀 조심 받는데 오늘이 다직 먼저기 도난 세원에 슈좀 쉬으셔야 님마다 만다가 님마 비메기 다 갈소래 구습스네레 representation 디 뉴뉴 슈르도 다 되는자 콘주기 직 슈춤부 도난 시티사디 비메야 학벌도 카운티 나로리아 남소 민체 직 캥규난데 수유인 표다디 gay pingin ne phuina de jurni khande yeme da ngedi ming pingna lo ya su yin ku du moran ba na thande chal ya khune shu ju de do thanda pap kharsa propaganda gi dinde deputy secretary dinde ro chiki nupsho gi gega mangbuchi do dine tamshe chi andene kheba da thanda dinde nyamdo la doleng chi ta dinde gi khune shu ju phume gi juye gi dinde gi trend chik cha de kya sunga de thanda zong nanglo da doalya chik pyri pheba yowa ine ganlya chik kata ka lobden be gi ming thone ani ya digyo ne da tinde ji ne da ni shindo me da yemba ne tinde me ro sambu ta nima kubju godang gosong ne da chik phyo le den gi leshi di thone ani chik gena gi singje nanglo ne da chik thabar du lhasa yena da beijing gi di singje gi 베이징 가서 태도 통계기 니난기요 그런 소리야 로교 SC기요 아니 또 니난시기 베베기 가서 사규 망부질이야 게나기 신제 나로네 아니 로교 나기 리시 딘데 노토네 아니 콘조 딘데기 게나기 카드로 스타 가서래 레시 망부지 땅인 거 레시 돈주 땅에 근데 콘조기 가리토네 땅교였으나 콘조 юм제 숨숨도 당보디 따지 망시 죽준 기 데이터네 따 프로젝트 리시드 토네 콘조 야당기스 니버디 갈서 오래다 즉 테크니컬 서비스 된데 나라다 아주 페베기 데 당부 아주 가두이네 랍디아젤이야 내가 페발이야 내가 팀도 세디 뎀바다 레데이네 오네기 즉마 밥지 야보시다 왜나야 즉 내가 즉 테크니컬 도알래 왜나 페베기 지식만 쓰기도 디 ngalya di ngegi shejo dene me ngalya ta chik phenanglo ya chingje ani khonjugi nedun toje ngalya shejo dene cheza di ngegi dagas portion shude ben me ta technical dende kan le du kan balya an phebegi ta lobchon chane dangmundu ani ta nyamnyu shune dangmu den du kan balya ta khan gi gemi ra chenama she yungmundu ta di wagi shamgi dende da neju yugirde ne da munegi technical doale du kambal gemi rangi mashi yumudu se dinde ta khandar technical service na lone le ta dinde tone leshi di tone ani gyuje kubju kosums ne ya phe nanglo ya language nanglo ya gemi da ya hakbar du yedong chukchu ne shuchum bu shuis ta ta di leshi di losumsum nanglo le ani oden re chi gyu se ta thanga se de ta nga kya zo nge thanga chi shubaina yedong chukjine ta thanabdo lo chunga nanglo ya karu ta jik lechi chikdong ha ta sharwa andi nanglo ne ta jik lo re nanglo ya ta jik assignment chunju den nanglo le gyara tangyu sare kya hasinde ya tangje ta de losum chele ya khonso ma dogwe gi den de contract yor de ta du yoda me di thande ta nge shutu mundu ta imba ne khonso pege ne la phyo na leje khar 지요스나 다 레시 돈주 돌이야 아니 베겔이야 콘주 내가 제가 리기요스 아니 다 되게 가리 다 레시 돈주 베진 라다시나 야가 유기르 되네 다 초신다시네 가리요스나 콘주 레디 감발이야 콘주기 다직 자 랭귀지 나기 다 슝이네 다 아니 파티 tinju nangi ta rimbagi ta chik legun du nang ya leje gi ta khone tho juije ani majo phebe gi ta phuri gi phebe leje ya ya le gi di ne sambal ya khonju gi kagi me ro samsam ro ji tende ro ji khajin na khonju gi rang gi ta phege nanglo le ta beijing ina na phege hasal ya tang du kambal ya khonju gi sujul chik khonju ya sie di khonju ya khone ya ga ji te go yos khone yaga tedu gambal ya khonju kharjin khone yaga goyo segiyorsana khonju ya khone yaga rawana khonju gi lega khonju project panel tang sa gyodi leshi del ya khonju lagdar che shukche yudu gambal ya khonju khone yaga tangi tanda di leshi de ngi de wal ya chik pege na le tundi shyo di dene to sew sha da dende roji tanda leshi di wane ani ledu gambal ne khenang gi tanda lamde da dende ji sung su di ngi pechen di da sungi me ro samsam roji dende sams
어떤게 덴지델랄 조시단 제베토네 슈에직라 된다 지런기 대지 미지 시에마사 대 대시왕주 슈그로와 대시왕주 그런 바디 마레 간진 제라 총의 신지기 주시 체시 그런 핀조 왕자도 뒤도지기 사르지시기 있으니기 사르지 겐제버트네 제 다간 쟁은 뜨두기 돈에 밤이 도죠 이제 배바랑라 아니 샘슈 야고 쇼요죠 타마디 아니 그런 옛날기 세주 대단히 뭐 딱딱 마대가 임바 손자 정강랑 망보 쇼데 한 예주날 신내야 총의 신지 주시체 진 야고 쇼사 코나를 대시 왕주 슈그리 간 바다라 말에 근데 그런 게 된다 중사 근데 바시 홀랑세 소라다 어 딘제지 셰소지 요르데 이나 가지다 뱀부도 엔디스 용당데 거르레스들랑 가지 심주루지 심주스나다 지단기 디게 셰단데 다른 쇼게 가지기 대단 찍버 망시에 레웨 야메나 카르스나 톰주리 이기레스죠 어 지조기 토기 깨져지리 다 이나라 틀라 따야지 거르요르스나 지단기 엔디 라가치기 바시 촐랑라기 바시지 아니 총회랑래 라기 소시 홀랑라기 호시 참랑라기 다 지조 도당래 다 딜라 니요 용당로치 바당 총기 쇼가디야 란주종 고디레고로와 라에 디당 아니 참도당 된다 호르라가지고라 어디기 라에 디 파랄 코조 야 고디 큐크치올레 디라 잡종테 되게 말해 바당 총기 용에 디조테기 간일레레스 능압주 능네 예미 별라야 전주 체용도 겁수 서구 디조니자로 디베슝기 나고 올라 메교기 사전이로와 딱 구주기야 용지스니데 제나 슝기 급디디 시주다마스나 랑조단 벼다데 카르레스나 변나라 아니 전제링 루베가 전주 체샤 대타드 땅고도 시시 아니 서지치긴 레드와 바당 총기 된다 인디고스 막봉니 용으로와 별라 카산지기 막던 고스송사 된다 첸두당 렌주 제단 변나라 전주 진얘기다 고주 징조라 그런 안주 전주라 대 진얘데 마구 강니네 자나 마구 강니네 첸두당 렌주당 용으로와 된다 바이쇼가 되다 첸두 마가니 냠듯이 총회쇼가 다 렌주 니 냠듯이 고주 눕장주라 그리 총회쇼가 야 용망미 용이들라 첸두 이기들라 가스나 로립주라 그리 첸두 용이데 간이 주용지르스나 캄 주용을 렌드로데 간이 주이스나 총의 주용으로 누잔줄라니 다 대야 냠도 용디고수 뒤급디고수 ngaranzu 배바 망보치기 고고체로 망보치기 냠제 체지다 사르치기 시에용으로 니 쇼가 디니 타마 고조 별 해살 릴레지 코라니 누잔다 흐름이 저바쇼르지 수 넘버 제레스나 흐름주데 왕체차 된다 차 용디고수 다 급디디고수 핀조 왕자 쯔체비 바웨 미 망보치 해살 레데요로 다 페셔나 게럽 되잖아 양링도 찌요래 템바와야라 그래 산제이실라 그래 디즈티 케초 쇼차데 란주종기 나라 잉파 땅땅 고서 냠지기 레가치니 된데 예미기 밍치 따셔 템바라 그러네 저는 거 산제이실에 다 디즈데 다 바와테 팜니도로와 핀소 왕제 지로 직동 영업 중 ngap ngap 또 밤에 도연 두고 수 신의 총역이 예 페밍기 티용도 야랑 암동 다 도지스린 라인 도지스린다 도지스린 라인인데 소리 제랑한 중국 피르베 겐지신이지도 다 디지털 별라 연두고 간지다 직내 대오슝기 나고나라 메교기 세구네 연주기 베베미르 고주기 삼로데 가르스나 사지 이삼로요 사지 싱글레 조라다 고 사지데 야웨나 도웨나 하제 다 디질라 예미야 레차르 차장 제자르 예미기 별라 상황 원주 체버스 ngomeki ngajugi 변나라 지게 전주에 전주체 셰데어와 인나데 지게 미와 말아다 로버트레 가상 공개 중에도 되면서 지게 시대요 말아 신에야 레살레 차지 원주 체 차지 던진치도 샤지 신에 고주 가르체레스나 와다 나다 첨부 숨잠에 숨길래 저라 나다 첨부 숨잠에 숨긴 수도고수 다 가르치고도스나 yarlang 신된 지조자 하래 다 대샤 숨베게라 중어지식 숨베니 휴게를 지기도 제장 럭디당 왔다 된다 첨부 빈조당 리조당 세 상말로 가르스나 신된기 미 yarlang 체조야 고딜 샤교도 제단 디주코랑 고디기 yap종들 내단 된다요 다 내가 약보체도 두보체도 세디 내주 로가지라 호란츠기 고디기 지당기 협공 용당 소리 된다 연구여 고란츠기 로당 소리 다 지랑기 된다디 고딜이 심주난기도 규제 갈래카부도 송 규제지 된다 디지디나요 아 규상 변조슈니 좋아 한망한지기 노르웨이 룽디 레공기 통매 레지지 구베 땀라니 줘 디나라 코란 징네 사지 갑수 변나라 카르스나 사르기 롭다 튼지 사르기 레가 친인데 코란기 직티교 디나라 다 지로 직동 굽게 굽주 파라도 약쇼 지나고 고디도 주와 카르 도고도 네 khani sane khani le do ani wangja kharistim do se do kirang ti tube show so gi resam gu ku be dam la nye jor kasi kirang li ragmena palo che chi tona na nyu ne bu sho shwe o ndinde chi shwe to cha
I want to seek some suggestions from Professor Madhu Rajput. Since your paper deals with the status or place of Tibetan women in exile community over the years, because I want to ask actually, the issue of feminism has become a kind of very emerging trend within exile community nowadays. So as an outsider, what is your view regarding to Tibetan women? And because nowadays women started asking lots of questions about the patriarchal formation of our society, and they even go to the extent of questioning religion and everything. But then generally, as an outsider, what is your perspective? And comparatively,
As I said at the beginning of my presentation itself, that it is just 1 year I have been going with your work because I work on South Asia. I have worked on Bhutan. And similar thing, I had worked a similar project there also, but that was on educated working women. That was specified like they were BA and all, and what were the problems one were facing. See, as far as feminism is concerned, I would not like to, it is early for me to categorize at present, but as far as I see, I can just tell you my point of view. When I was interacting with those women also, when I interact with my Indian counterparts also, like, you cannot, two people are interdependent, okay? Men and women. You just cannot have one up and one down. So it is just like in my way, it is like giving them equal opportunities to use their talents so that they can come up to that mark. But unfortunately, what is happening, especially after the Second World War, what has happened is, and what is the need of the hour has been, that has been like with like modernization, how do we define it? Like the use of modern machines we have. So what has happened after that, like you have to work because of materialism. But here the case is not materialism. Here the case was of survival also. Okay, so I can put my point of view, like they can be, people have all kinds of feminist views on it. Some may say that Tibetan society earlier was much better, like they argue with me about monogamy, like here that some institutions have got affected, like earlier you never had monogamy as the only form, but it has come here in exile. So earlier the marriage as an institution was not that strict. But it has, here it is. So I think those influences are there, and maybe when I finish my one more year, like I have got 2 years to work upon it, and more and more, but I would like that equal opportunities should be given so that we have, but what is happening is, it is not the talent. It is like you are getting educated to work, and work means pay. You bring that money back. You are not allowed because of the pressure of dual responsibilities on you. So I think this is one crisis which is to be solved. Like I'm not one of those where I would like to see somebody disbalancing, because you work in society by balance only, isn't it? So this is what I'm trying to know, but there are girls, I must admit, who are very vocal about few things. But anyway, I'll look into the interviews and then conclude, because it will be very early for me to conclude right away here, what is it, because ultimately this report is to be published and released as a book, then I think it will be there. Okay, thank you.
Hello. I want to ask you one question.
Yes.
You mentioned about women empowerment days and then national or commission on women. So actually, women empowerment days is not a formal kind of maybe department or institution under CTA. It was more donor influence or specific project oriented. Days which we may not continue if project gets cancelled or some.
Hey, I was just suggesting, like if you want to have a development, it should be on a holistic point of view. Huh? You cannot you cannot discriminate, like you cannot have some agendas and leave the others, because development will not come that way. And if it comes that way, it leaves huge gaps, because there everything can be taken. Because I already feel, like I've said it in my presentation also, like after 1959, your TWA had a political motive behind it, although it's branched in all the social, but how much work has been done that way, isn't it? It is that what I was emphasizing. It is just a suggestion. I said with at the end, what can be more done at this stage, what I felt after talking to women, because as you say, it may be that this desk is because of some influence, and it may be gone sometime, but you need to have a permanent institution which looks into their grievances also, isn't it?
I think this will be the last questions or comments.
Thank you. Mine is not actually the question, but it's some like suggestion. As per your topic, your survey has been deal with the Dehradun Tibetan settlement. So, and regarding on the social structure that you mentioned, that the patriarchal sort of a structure. So, my perception is that like except this Clement Down Tibetan settlement and Manduwala Tibetan settlement. So most of the Tibetan settlement in Dehradun area. So most of the head of the family in these settlement are the mother or grandmother. The reason why is that like most of the male actually husband, they are in the military actually, the army. So obviously, so the mother or grandmother has to take care of the family. So because of that factor, I am concerned about the Dehradun area. So because of that factor, So the pattern of the system, the patriarchal system. So I think like it has been something that is not men actually what you talk about. So it's more like a matriarchal sort of things.
Actually, if you really, I can go back again and say, I was talking about the old Tibetan society, huh? But I will take care of what you have said, because before my final thing, I will like to clarify that also. But here I talked about what the old Tibetan society was, and after 1959, I haven't mentioned that. In fact, I have mentioned it, that how this was is an opportunity for Tibetan women for their development cause to be opened, because this has been even accepted by in the Beijing conference also, when your representatives went there. So I was talking of that anyway, but since it's your suggestion, I will take care of that also. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. With this final and last session, we come to the conclusion of 3-day second Young Tibetan Research Conference on Tibet and Tibetans, Prospects and Challenge. I also would like to thank the paper presenter, Professor Madhu Rajput, as well as Research Fellow Tenzin Sede for their timely presentation, as well as for their answering the questions from the audience, informed audience, I should say. I also would like to thank the participant, speaker, everyone for their time, questions, as well as comment for the last 3 days. I think without your cooperation, I think this conference will not be a successful one. And I would like to thank everyone for your participation. Thank you.